Introducing the weekly premium service from Advanced Auto Trades. Our out-of-the-money iron condor strategy takes advantage of the accelerated time decay in the last 3 days to SPX Weekly Options expiration date. This advanced service involves up to 4 trades per month, has a high probability win rate of over 80%, and aims for up to 16% profit per trade on allocation. To achieve this, the strategy uses a high margin of 60 to 70% on your selected allocation, and therefore is a service for experienced investors with a high risk tolerance. We send you the entry, adjustment, and exit details for this service anytime during market hours. This service is great for manual traders who like to improve their trading skills in adjusting and exiting positions, or this service can also be fully automated in your brokerage account. If you are ready to unlock the power of advanced option spread trading, check out Weekly Premium, only from Advanced Auto Trades.